Hello, everyone. My name is Angela. I take care of the all overseas market. Welcome to our booth, Longrun Lab. Our website is lrled.net. Actually, we are original manufacturing for LED display more than 11 years. So today, I would like to introduce our S-Series P2.6 for the event cabinet design. You can see this kind of cabinets we are designed for rental for some event show. The pixel pitch for indoor we have from 2.6, 3.9, and for outdoor we also have a 3.9, 4.8, something like that. Yeah, then we can go backside to see the cabinet design. Yeah, the cabinet is made by 500 by 500 cabinet this size, and it have a very quickly lock to installation, assembly very fast when you have some event or moving, assembling together. Yeah, so the all totally shape is very simply, and we use some like flight cables. It's very stable. Yeah, we just have a lot of reference like for the overseas in Dubai, in American and Europe. Yeah, so welcome to our booth and experience this product. Thank you.